I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Ah, get that boy. Get him, Rube. Or whoever's gonna get him. Blue, where's he go? Ah, I'm gonna get you. Where's that little boy? Get him. Where's that little boy? Rah, 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 rah. Get him, Blue. Go get him. Where's that puppy? Where's that girl? Look at that puppy bark. Where's that girl? What are you doing, Ruby? We're gonna get you. Come here, puppy. Where's that little boy? Hey, you? You okay? We're just playing with you, Steel. It's okay. Aw, she's not gonna hurt you, honey. It's okay. Aw, you two talking. Aw, you gonna talk to him? Go talk to him. Where's that Steel? Get down, little baby. Where's that little boy? Where's that puppy? Where's that puppy? Ruby. Hi. Oh, you saying hi to Steel. Good girl. Give me that toy. She learned how to be swift to avoid his little attacks. Good girl, Ruby. Good girl. Hey, Blue. Blue, look. She runs like a little deer. It's so cute. Give me that toy. Get that toy. Get that toy. Ooh. Give me that toy. You want a toy? Give me that toy. Give me that toy. I'm gonna get it. Give me that toy. Good girl. Give me that toy. Good girl. She stood up for herself. Yay. Get you. Where's that little boy? We're gonna get you, Steel. We're gonna get you. Where's that little boy? Where's that? It's okay, honey. We're just playing. Blue, where's that baby? Get that puppy. Get that puppy. Where's that? I'm gonna get you. Aw, they love you, Steel. Whoa. Don't snap at her. Ooh, he actually gave up the toy. OMG, that's a first. Wow. You completely owned him, Blue. Blue, you owned him. Oh gosh. Good girl.